So this video is going to be about grouping and ungrouping sheets. So I've gone ahead and completed the information for December. There was a change of some data. There was $300 on the miscellaneous field in December, plus we got a $250 bonus for Christmas in December, and I removed the freelance income that was created in December as well. So this video is about grouping and ungrouping sheets. Now you'll notice there aren't any formulas that are created on any of these individual sheets. So if I click into September, all of the information under income, expenses, balances, and this percentage calculation is not on any of these separate sheets. So I could go ahead and create them on each individual sheet, which would be fine, and it would be perfectly acceptable. However, it's going to take quite some time. So I'm going to use some knowledge about grouping sheets together, and we're going to complete all of the formulas for each individual sheet all at once. Now, I'm going to strongly caution you here, because while this is a helpful, time-saving, amazing thing to know, you will find, and I have had this happen to me many times, where I forget that I've grouped sheets together to take advantage of that opportunity, and then forget that I have them grouped, and I then just want to be working on one specific sheet, and I forget that I have multiple sheets grouped, and what I start doing on that first sheet that I only intended to change will happen on every other single sheet that I have in the group. And before I know it, I've screwed up all my other sheets. So again, a super strong caution here. In your textbook, it's highlighted and in capitalized. I capitalized it and bolded it in my previous announcement. This is a really cool thing to understand, but you can get yourself into trouble. So be careful. Okay, so with that, I'm going to go through how you group sheets. And so the theory behind grouping sheet is it's allowing us to select multiple sheets within a workbook, and whatever we do on that one sheet or on our active sheet will happen in all the other subsequent worksheets. So one of the things you have to be careful of is knowing that within each of the next sheets that we're going to group together, everything that is in the same location on the subsequent sheet. So the rent, for example, on sheet January, sheet C5 for rent, is the same on February sheet as well as June sheet. It's always in C5. That's going to be kind of important. Okay, so I'm going to stop the video here so that you have time to kind of think through some of the opportunities that we have, and I'll pick it up with another video that actually completes the grouping task.